Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lucy, and on this channel I share information about fully funded scholarship across the world and share with you tips and tricks on how you can identify good scholarships, what you need to look out for when you want to apply for the scholarships, how you can put your scholarship applications together, and everything you need to know about fully funded scholarship as well as good partial scholarships. So if you think this is what you would like to know, and you have friends and family who are interested in this kind of content, then please do share our channel with them. And if you know you have not yet subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, trust me, what are you waiting for? You should subscribe right away. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell. So whenever I post any new content or any new video, you would be notified about that particular content. So today is a very special content, and this is basically for those who are new into this scholarship journey. I have had a lot of DMs, friends and family reach out to ask me, Lucy, where do I start from and how do I start? And trust me, I think this is a very valid question, and it will be very good for me to just come here and share with you, the things you should look out for and how you can get started. I know previously I had shared information around documents you need to apply for scholarships, what you need to have, but then people are still not clear enough about these things I have mentioned before, or what they should even do before providing this information. So that is the reason why I had to come up with this content. Where do you start from? How do you start? What do you do? What do you want to look out for? All of those questions are what I want to talk about on this video. So I guess this is something that would really interest you, but trust me, it's not really an easy journey, but I will try to ensure that I'm able to break this really down for you. Even when I began my own journey as well in 2016, 2017, it was really, I had a very vague idea about this process of a thing. So the more I dug deep, the more I was applying, the more I was reading, the more I was researching, it became more clearer to me. And that was how I was able to progress. And just a few weeks ago, I was looking back into some of the applications that I wrote in 2018, 2019. I could see the difference between then, now, and even when I got my scholarship in 2021. How I was writing, what I was writing. I think it got better. As I apply for scholarships. So that's just the mindset we need to have. So today, this particular part of these videos, I'll put them in parts, so I don't have like too many things talked about on one video clip. So I will have them probably in part 1, 2, and 3, so you will have time to listen to this, know what I've talked about, put them into practice, then you can look at to watch the other videos. And I hope this is going to be very helpful. So if you know you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Encourage me so that whenever whenever I post any video, you would be notified that I post a video. And also share this with your friends and family, those who are still in university, planning to who will be running out from school soon. Let them know what it is to begin this journey, so they can prepare their things on time just before they graduate from school. And even your friends and family, your siblings who are still in secondary school, still share with them. You never can tell when this will be useful to them. So I don't want to say too much anymore, so let's just dive right into the video and talk about what I have here for you.